Hey Spotlight riders, welcome back to Motorcycle Spotlight, where we shine a light on the machines that truly matter. If you're new here, we are all about celebrating the best bikes, from vintage legends to modern marvels. So stick around and join the community. There's always been something special about Japanese motorcycles. We're talking style, heritage, performance, and cutting-edge technology. Last year, Honda dominated the top spot in the motorcycle market in Japan. 2025 is off to a great start, as they announced a new addition to their already famous line of motorbikes, the 2025 Rebel 1100. Today, we will explore the unique landscape of Japanese motorcycles as we showcase the top 10 new motorcycles from Japan for 2025. Let's ride! At number 10, Honda Super Cub 50 Final Edition. This is for those of you with a particular taste for classic motorcycles. I have some good news and some bad news. Honda recently announced that it would bid farewell to the Super Cub 50 this year due to stricter emission rules. Well, that's the bad news. The good news is they plan on ending this particular line with a special final edition. You can purchase one of these new bikes for as low as $1,950. Riders can expect unique features, commemorative touches on the iconic design, and the same reliability we've all come to love. It's sad to say goodbye, but what a way to go! Number 9. Honda CB1000 Hornet, the 2025 model. The next motorbike on this list is also manufactured by Honda. The CB1000 Hornet is back for 2025, and it's a dream for all lovers of naked bikes. The 2025 model is an excellent blend of power, handling, and rugged style, featuring a modified 998cc inline-4 engine from the Firebird and an upgraded suspension. The Hornet is designed for riders who want an adrenaline-pumping ride with a muscular aesthetic. Its shape follows the Hornet tradition: bulky front, slim midsection, and fat rear. The CB1000 comes in the standard model, which costs a little over $8,700, and the SP variant with its enhanced features is priced at about $10,170. At number 8, Yamaha YZF R3. Next up, we have the Yamaha YZF R3. This is one of the best beginner motorcycles for new riders looking to explore the world of motorcycles. Still sitting at a reasonable retail price of about $5,000 to $6,000, this sporty bike was inspired by the flowing aerodynamics of YZR M1. The front end has been redesigned compared to the previous year, with sleek DRLs and projector headlights. The tail section has also gotten a more modern update, and boy does it look beautiful. The only reason why this bike isn't higher on this list is because it is the same bike as the previous YZF, but with a new body. But the good news is, this bike still sits at a reasonable retail price of about $5,000 to $6,000. Number 7. The Kawasaki KLX 450 Dakar Rally Edition. Kawasaki enters this year's rally with a new thrilling KLX 450 for off-road enthusiasts. While the production model is not yet out, the Dakar Rally Edition gives us a sneak peek into what's to come. Since photos of the bike were released, discussion forums have been super active, with one Reddit user expressing excitement, saying, "This might be exactly the bike I've been wanting to see from the Japanese manufacturers. Kinda surprised Kawi is doing it first. Glad it's not an electric bike. When I first saw KLE, that's what I thought it was gonna be." The KLX 450 is packing a 449cc single-cylinder engine built to supply power for those daring off-road adventures. The new 450 maintains a slick, narrow design that makes it easy to handle while remaining comfortable for the rider, thanks to its improved handling due to its agile chassis and suspension. This is an excellent bike for off-road bikers. This bike is expected to be priced at about $6,000, not a significant increase compared to previous models. Number 6. Yamaha Tracer 9 GT. Number 6 on our list is another bike from Yamaha, the Tracer 9 GT. For those unfamiliar with the Tracer 900s, it's Yamaha's line of sport touring motorcycles. This year, the bike comes with new Yamaha ride control settings that allows the rider to customize their riding experience. This feature lets riders select engine power, characteristics, and electronic intervention levels to suit road conditions and personal preferences. It's a little pricey at around $14,000, but it might be worth it. Number 5. Honda Rebel 1100. The Honda Rebel 1100 offers some of the best cruiser experiences in 2025. Talk about a motorcycle with an edge. And this Honda Rebel 1100 is as powerful as ever. It provides an exhilarating experience with a touch of modern convenience. It has upgraded seats and better ergonomics. The new SE variant adds a touch of style with bar-end mirrors and a unique seat texture. This brand appeals to every cruiser enthusiast, which is no surprise because the 2025 model greatly benefits from comfort, convenience, and performance updates. The base model of this motorcycle is marketed at $9,699 minus the destination charge. Number 4. Yamaha Y AI Concept Bike. This one is for anime lovers and bike lovers. We just had to include an anime-themed motorcycle in this list because we're talking about Japan, the anime culture capital of the world. This concept bike was designed in collaboration with the Anime Tokyo Override. It blends futuristic looks with the sleek high-performance styling of the YZF R1. While it is still only a concept, it does show that Yamaha's vision for the future of motorcycling is undeniably exciting. Unfortunately for the Spotlight riders, this bike is not yet available for sale, so there's no price tag on it just yet. Number 3. 2025 Suzuki Boulevard M109R. Alright everyone, we're in the top 3. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're enjoying this video. We're starting the top 3 list with the 2025 Suzuki Boulevard M109R. This bike continues to impress with its powerful 1783cc V-twin engine, delivering robust performance for cruisers. The 2025 Boulevard has received some significant upgrades with a radial mount dual front brake ensuring more substantial stopping power. When it comes to style, this bike doesn't fall short either. It comes in a sleek glass sparkle color with breathtakingly beautiful chrome accents. This bike is arguably the best cruiser on this list. The Suzuki Boulevard might be the most expensive bike on this list, with a retail price of $15,570 US. Number 2. The Kawasaki Eliminator. The 2025 Kawasaki Eliminator is designed to make riding more exciting, offering a blend of performance, technology, and comfort. At the heart of this engineering masterpiece is a 451cc parallel twin engine that delivers smooth, responsive performance, suitable for city commuting and highway cruising. It has assisted slipper clutch to ensure downshifting is softer than ever. The new smartphone connectivity lets you track your ride data, adjust the display settings, and stay connected through your phone. All in all, the 2025 model came with updated styling and interesting color options. It is a beautiful motorcycle that looks as good as it rides. The retail price is $6,499 for the non-ABS model and $6,799 for the ABS model. And at number 1, the Yamaha MT-07. The Yamaha MT-07 has been a fan favorite for years and holds the first position on this list. This legendary street bike might be the best middleweight naked bike this year, with exciting new features like an updated design with a more aggressive aesthetic, improved suspension, and updated electronics for smoother power delivery. This motorcycle is a must-have for people who value versatility for both city commutes and weekend adventures. The MT-07 has a powerful 689cc liquid-cooled 4-stroke engine configured to be easy to handle, so it's great for veterans and beginners alike. It maintains a minimalist stripped-back look, but now features a new LED headlight unit that embodies Yamaha's dark side of Japan aesthetic. This bike has garnered positive reviews for its performance and value for money. With a retail price that starts at $8,599 US, the MT-07 continues to evolve, offering riders a compelling mix of performance, style, and technology. Truly a marvel of engineering and design, the Yamaha MT-07 will make its mark this year. Well, that's the last bike on our list today. Did we leave out any new motorcycles on our list? Tell us in the comment section below. I hope you had a great time watching our video. We have a ton of great content like these on our channel, so you click the like and subscribe button so you don't miss out on entertaining new motorcycle updates.